There's something we all have in common universally, and that is we will all at some point experience pain and suffering. Some kind of trauma that will take our breath away, causing us to spin, wondering, does God see me? You know, at the heart of everyone that suffers is this question in the title of my book. Does God see me? My book not only answers this question, but it brings along a cloud of witnesses to help us do so. It brings along Hagar and other unexpected biblical theologians who give us permission to ask hard questions of God when there's pain. It also weaves in my stories of pain and other women's stories from around the world to help us see God's fingerprints all throughout our healing journey. The beauty of this book is how it integrates a gracious interpretation of the Bible with therapeutic strategies to help readers, especially Black women and women of color, to discover a safe space to find their voice, receive healing, and walk toward transformation. Through my book, readers will walk away feeling validated and supported. Space is created to process, lament, and practice embodied self-care strategies. And those who suffer will feel hopeful, elevated, and empowered to continue on their healing journey with God as a traveling companion. Now, because we all have pain and suffering in common, we will all connect on the healing that this book is offering.